Moving up ceremony is always a day of rejoicing for it marks the conclusions of a one-year education journey and the beginning of another more uncertain and more difficult part of man's quest for being life and future. Today signifies the culminations of hard work and the for this school year 2024-2025 together with their proud parents, guardian. Let us also welcome the highly STEM member of the barangay official headed by our friend barangay, Anthony Evlora, to our municipal mayor, Caroline C. Reyes, and municipal social worker, Ms. Annalyn Elbon, ECCD focal person, Ms. Rosalind Miranda, and our active Cluster 1 coordinator, Ms. Gina H. Majoro, and our guest owner, Sir John Lloyd P. Arevalo, the processional.
Kanin ka mo?